Hello, today I am here with the unboxing of a science optical kit. I have bought it from Amazon at rupees 329. Let's unbox it. This is a cardboard that is given. A manual is inside. Here, this manual consists of 7 experiments. We'll keep it aside. Then we get a lens holder or a mirror holder. Now we have protector and some pins. Now we have concave and convex mirror of 15 cm focal length. Then we have convex and concave lens of 15 cm focal length. Now we have a glass prism here, glass slab and a candle. These are the materials that is given. Let's open the prism. This is the prism that is given to us. Now we'll see what is inside this box. Glass slab of good quality. Now we'll unbox the lens. This is convex lens. Let's keep it aside. Now this is convex lens. Now we have these two mirrors. This is concave mirror. And this is convex mirror. So these are the materials that is given in this kit, and I believe that this kit is good for the students of class 10, so they can do the practical experiment with very good, and the price is good. It's 329, so you can buy it. Thank you.